Ki Pulit ke Ri kila Thwet ya Ngut ki Samla basuba don kti Pynïap yu Rangbah Hagishnong Raja Bagan Hagathan Byrnihat Katkum ke jingtip balayo lum loong bakani ke Jingjia kalajia hakalai phoi tarik jembang arjar arpun rio hakaba nakalyang ki Pulit ke Ri kila yo jingtip ba we brio la sha haraja bangan har Byrnihat batang hadien ke jingyo jingtip ki Pulit marmar kila let syakate ke jaka bat lap yo we brio balathia lingtar harut surong bat marmar lapin ki yo u shajaka sumar Henry ki doktor kilapin bana bola klat no. Utei orang ba obala klat no. Udei obala tip kerteng kum u pushkaki gurung na Kampur district jong ke Jylla Assam. Na kalyang ki Pulit ke Ri kila register case Halor kani ke Jingjia Byrnihat police station bat pinlong ke jing Thwet ban yok kem ya Ngut ki suba badon kti ha kate kakam. Kitei ki Ngut ki basuba kidei ki blatip kerteng kum u chitro sangma arpo nipul sangma arposnem tobias marak arpoe bat u chigrin moment arpoe baro kidei nak snong dihal bangan Byrnihat bat hadu Mynta kidei ki Samla kirang pedri bat nakalyang ki Pulit kila kerpat ya kinu kibayoi ya kidei ki Samla bakin pintep sha police control room how number 9856084514.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.